Today I'm going to show you the steps to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. To begin, click the link located in the video description. This will navigate you directly to Adobe's official website. Once there, select your country and then click on Start Free Trial. You will be presented with 3 plans: individual, business, and students/teachers. Choose the individual plan if you're using one device, or the business plan for multiple users. I will choose the individual plan, which offers a 7-day free trial of After Effects, along with a 30-day trial of Adobe stock with 10 free assets that you can keep even if you cancel after the trial. Proceed by clicking Continue. Enter your email and click Continue again. Please fill in all the required fields, including your card details. Rest assured, Adobe will not bill you before the free trial concludes. Now select Agree and Subscribe. You will then be taken to a new screen to create your account password. After that, you'll be redirected to download the Creative Cloud application. Install the app, log in with your email, and open it. Go to the Apps section inside Creative Cloud and click Install on After Effects. That's all there is to it. You now have After Effects installed for free. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.